She's done. If you say that it's terrible, then, you know, people are positive. They're like, oh no, it's not terrible. Okay, so skip ahead probably, how long has it been? 2 weeks?
At least.
Yeah, we got a little distracted, but we're back on the Ultimate Enduro mini bike here, and we went ahead and got everything mocked up, chains on, the engine's exactly where we want it to be. So now we have to make our little bracket for the jack shaft support. I don't know if they can see that, but that needs a bolt to support the jack shaft, because you can see it, you know, it flexes pretty easy. So now that it's all bolted down, we can cut this, drill this, and bolt it up before we tack it, so we know that it's gonna play nice.
See that nice piece?
Yeah, this is
fresh cut.
This is from the trailer modifications that I did. You can check that out in another video, which I will link right now, probably above somewhere. You'll have to look for it.
Or below.
Yeah.
Or to the left or right.
Somewhere.
Or right or other way.
Look around the screen and you know, you can watch that video, but a little piece of something else is going on the mini bike, so it'll work out good.
We're all about recycling here at Wrench and Rip.
Yeah, so we're gonna chop this down, do a little drilling, and hopefully get this thing mocked up and tack her in. So we'll see you then.
Yes, sir.
All right, so we got our little bracket made, which we'll show you guys once we take the engine back out, because you can't really see it right now. I'm gonna tack it in, and then we have to take everything back apart to fully weld it in. So let's start with the tacking part.
Making some minor adjustments to the welder.
Cover.
Yep.
Pretty crappy tack. It's mostly up on the bracket, but it should be enough to hold it. Alright, that's a solid
Cherry
tack.
red. Cherry red, baby. Not bad, Ryan. I mean, they're there. It's
as long as it's stuck. I mean, it really just needs to hold it in place so I can take the motor out and have it not like move around on me.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's definitely enough for that. So one more will definitely
get her done.
Yeah.
Engine's almost out. One more bolt, I think. One more.
Yeah.
One more.
I have deja vu. I feel like I've done this a few times.
Got a wrench to rip.
This is the last bolt.
And then she's actually gonna get welded up.
Yeah, I gotta take the chain off still.
Alright, okay, well not yet, but let's see if we can get a better angle, actual like view of this thing.
If I can get the chain off of that knocking.
It's better than the Chinese jab that was done before, if you ask me.
Couldn't have been worse, so.
Oh! Alright, Ryan got upset that I turned the camera off for the motor pull.
Crap. Still one more bolt.
Oh, there's one more bolt. I knew there was one more bolt. I called it. What is it? The top passenger? No.
No, it's the one.
The one in the back that I asked you.
The one on the thing that we just did.
The one that I asked you if you wanted me to take out. Oh, that. Oh, that bolt. Oh yeah. All right, get ready for the climax. Dun dun dun. Das Motor Delete.
Alright. Not ready. Ready?
Yes. Go for it.
Alright.
All the room in the world. Look at that.
Now we can weld this puppy up. Good.
Weld her up. Yeah, dude, these tacks are good. Well, this one.
No,
but
they're yeah.
Well, I was gonna say that one.
You gotta be careful what you say
from
on YouTube, because you say something's good, everyone will, you know, ring you out for saying that it's good.
Oh, who cares?
If you say that it's terrible, then, you know, people are positive. They're like, oh no, it's not terrible. No,
people on YouTube are cruel.
They are cool, but we don't care. We're in it for the good enough, so as long as it's And that's pretty low standard, trust me.
Very low.
Good enough. Good?
Yeah. Give her the beans, Pops. Ciao.
Wow. That is a booger if I've ever seen one. This is why we have angle grinders. And yeah, that'll take care of that. She's done. So we just finished welding that up. That is the last bit of fab work on this thing. Thank God. Because I don't know how you welders do it full time. I weld for 10 minutes and I'm like good for like a month. So anyways, it came out good. Everything lines up. I'm not going to put the motor back in right now because I still have to paint all this up. Obviously I can't paint it if the motor's in. So depending on time, this might be the end of this video. In the next part we'll kind of paint it up and get it looking pretty and reassemble, and that'll be the end.
And then we'll put her through hell and see if we can snap it again.
Yes, we will do that. And I thought of one thing that I might also be changing. I was struggling to remember what I planned for the Enduro mini bike build, and I said budget Enduro mini bike build because I wasn't going to go swap the engine or anything. I'm basically just optimizing this chassis with that engine on it. So I'm not making any drastic changes, but one thing that we can change to make it really off-road worthy is the gearing. It's a little tall for like hard off-road riding right now. So we might change that, we might not. I'll have to ride it a few more times in some new riding spots before I make that decision. But fab work is done. Till next time, guys, keep wrenching, keep ripping. Don't forget to like, comment, and hey, subscribe.
And don't forget to find that link that may be this way, this way, this way, or this way.
Yeah, it helps us out if you guys subscribe and like interact with the video. So if you feel like doing that, go ahead. Thank you if you do. Till next time. See you later.